we say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before we drink, we say Bismillah. Before we read and before we write, we must all say Bismillah, Bismillah. In the name of Allah, in the name of Allah. We are Muslims, we must all say Bismillah to start the day. Bismillah, Bismillah. Before we eat, we say Bismillah.